Hello, Dre. Let's begin to introduce our pizza vending machine. And at first, you can see the light box. According to your requirements, can customize. And you can see here is a big touch screen order to a pizza, and the pizza kind are shown here. You can see, and the customers can order from this red button. And according to the requirements, and you can set out the price and the pizza kind and pictures in the website we provide to you. And here you can see is a visible window, and from here we can see the pizza making. You can see in a microwave. And when customers here to order the pizzas, and then pizza will taken into the microwave to heat, and then after finish, the customer can take the pizza from here. You can see. And the pizza vending machine can support card payment systems, bill payment system, and coin payment system. 3 kinds of payment system. And you can see it's a NIAS reader. And then we can see it's one pizza we just made from the pizza vending machine. And you can see it's an aluminum plate under the pizzas. And when making, we have this plate to hold the pizza. And also, we will have a box to pack the pizzas. You can see.
然后放到机器里去。
The inside of the machine, and you can see here our vending machine, pizza vending machine has 2 doors, and this door to keep the temperatures inside. And then you can see the inside of the vending machine, and we can hold 6 to 10 inches pizza. And you can see also have a box. I just show now is a one man take from the take here. You see. And now you can see the vending machine, the pizzas are put here, and when a customer orders from the touch screen, and then the machine will start to operate. And here the platform will take the pizzas and then to this top and turn into the microwave and to heat. And then when he finish, he will. Okay, let's show you the whole operation.
有点够。
Okay, let's see. You can show the operation. Now the box come to the platform. Now it's come ready to the microwave.
等待温度升高。
You can see the microwave. The microwave are heating. 我是马克，一样的意思。
这看不见，从侧面看。
And then the pizzas will go to the microwave oven, and when the temperature is enough, and the machine will put the pizzas to the micro oven to heat. And now is the whole process. And here is a PLC screen, and we can use this to inspect all the parts inside the machine, and just the.
每一个都可以点的试一下。
And let me show the different functions to you. And here is the.
第二个一个一个点。
Here's the main list and the motor sets, and you can see the A shelf inside the machines. And we can use this to. 是可以使用它来去设置温度的吧？
可以，温度在后台上。后台。这个可以监控所有的。
And we can use it to inspect the machine's temperature when making pizza. And then we can see the.
一个一个的点。
And here is the menu. All the inner parts of the machine can be inspected through this PLC. And it's a function set. And it's a different. 这是个货套。
就是监控的那个关电传感器，演示过去就可以了。
And it's a statues.
好。可以。
是停止。
不能停。我要看到这个知识的气泡。可以。
You can see now when the light is down, the machine is finished. The pizza is finished. Now let's take the tasty pizza. Wow, so delicious. You can see when we heating and put in the machine, you still have a limit place to hold the pizzas and also have a pizza box. And it's a whole process when ordering and the making process. Okay.
打开门，我有机器一传，打开门看一下啊。
Okay, and we have a side door in the machine, and here too also can see the machine inside and the wires and the some parts of the machines. 说一下后面。
后面哈。
它是本来焊接的，
打不开。
打不开的焊接的，因为它有个后背部。
后边有如何？
我忘了它叫什么。And now, today you can see our back door of the machines is well. There's no bolts. There are no bolts to in the machines is well. You can see the well, and we can open it. 是能，但是如果他要，因为他有说他有的时候也是。
我们没有。
不建议。
对
再这样。那我就不说了。
然后这是电源线。
And you can see it's the power cable and 它是110伏对吧？ And our machine also can support 110 wattage in your country.
110伏电，221键转换，告诉他。
Our machine 220 wattage, but we also can adjust it to 110 wattage, which can be used in your country.
好，开始。
Today, let me show you a latest model for our pizza vending machine. You can see it's different from the previous one I introduced just now, and it's a DIY model. And we can see the touch screen is different. We will use this to order different from the big touch screen. But you can see here, it's not different from the previous one. Customers can order the pizzas according to his taste, and we can put 4 kinds of 4 kinds of ingredients to make the pizza. And we just put the pizza dough in the machine, and then the machine can, according to your taste, to make the pizzas according to the customer's taste. Different, 等一下，
开始。
So you can see our latest model, and also the most So today you can see this our latest model and also the DIY model, and it can show our development ability to make the vending machines.